My name is Lydia Cherutich, and welcome to a day in my life as a hardware engineer. What attracted me to this role is I was already in the solar field and I was passionate about renewable energy. So incorporating it with EVs, I saw it as an interesting role and where I can grow. My main responsibilities in this role is maintaining our charging stations, which is identifying and resolving the issues, and performing routine checks of our EV bikes and minor electric faults, compiling report data, designing and supervising a hub from the ground up, which is something I can't wait to do since I won't be here for only 2 months. I start my mornings taking coffee. While I'm taking coffee, I work through my emails to see if I have any updates from my teammates. After that, I monitor our solar charging stations through the app to see how they're performing, if there are any issues. If there's an issue at one of the hubs, we go to site, confirm what's up and fix it. For our grid charging stations, we also confirm with the hub operators. Other than that, we do minor repairs and maintenance of our EV bike.
Umerudisha sensa kumbe ndo maana. Nina misbehave. The final step is 0600.
For our EV bikes, after they achieve a mileage of 5,000 kilometers, we recommend changing their gearbox oil. So this is what is happening right now. We're removing the parts so that we can easily access the gearbox and change the oil. We're removing the oil that has been used for the 0 to 5,000 kilometers. Now we are headed to one of our charging hubs. There's an issue with data logger. The charging hub is heater. Off we go. We were doing system monitoring from our apps and we discovered GitHub was offline. The data logger was giving out inaccurate readings. So we checked the data logger, we corrected it. Right now it's giving correct data. And we're also doing load maintenance. Harness DC power from the solar to the solar panels. The DC power is then channeled to the inverter. This inverter charges our batteries, which we use for backup. It then converts the DC power to AC so that we can charge our loads. We have two chargers. One is the standard charger, which is Renegade. It charges for 4 hours. We also have the fast chargers. For example, this one. It charges for 1.5 hours. Aidha, tamani kesho.